Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Sphere News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. I'm Madiha Saeed. Nepali climbers meet with the army chief and he congratulates the climbers of successful event. The climbers shared their experiences with the army chief and thanked Pakistan's and armed forces for their support and facilities provided by the administration. At Sargodha Thinder's wedding, 4 people were arrested for fighting with modern weapons and a case was registered. Court hands over 4 petroleum police persons to police remand in Faisalabad murder case. 18 years old girl injured in unprovoked firing by Indian Army in Cherry Court. Pakistan's army response to India. Schedule of Bakhtavar Bhutto wedding ceremony has been released. US President Joe Biden has called wearing a mask as a challenge to the public. The lockdown in Germany has been extended by 14 days and many countries have said that in order to beat the corona, foreign travel must be stopped. International Snowboarding Festival held in Malam Jaba Valley of Swat. Women from Pakistan and Afghanistan also take part in an international snowboarding event. The Sindh government announced that under no circumstances would children be transferred to the next classes without examination. Schools are open. Teachers prepare 60% of children for exams. If possible, 1 month should ahead so that children can prepare well. Bilawal Bhutto said that the democratic and constitutional method of overthrowing the government is no confidence. We will convince the alliances and they will be as nervous about our Tea Party as it is about 10 meetings. State Bank decided to keep interest rates at 7%. The economic situation is much better than in June 2019. Inflation rate remains at 7.9%. Inflation may rise if electricity become more expensive.